Vitamin supplements in form of gummies have been gaining popularity, with sea moss gummies receiving significant attention on social media. Made from sea moss, a type of red seaweed that grows off the coasts of Europe, Ireland, and North America, these gummies are rich in antioxidants, minerals, polyunsaturated fats, and vitamins. While seaweed has been used for dietary and medicinal purposes globally for centuries, its current surge as a popular health supplement has sparked increased research into its benefits. Here are the top benefits of sea moss gummies. But first, what are sea moss gummies? Sea moss gummies, while varying in recipes, generally share similar ingredients. The main component is sea moss, often combined with sweeteners, added flavoring, fruit juice concentrates, glycerol, pectin, and processed seaweed. Simple versions with minimalistic ingredients are also available. For those adventurous in the kitchen, sea moss gel can be purchased to make gummies at home. The process involves soaking sea moss in clean water for up to 2 days, blending it into a gel, and then mixing it with juice and a binding agent like agar-agar or glycerol. Sweeteners and added vitamins are included, and the mixture is poured into gummy molds and refrigerated. So, how do sea moss gummies work? The human body requires 102 different minerals and nutrients, and sea moss contains 92 of them. This high concentration of essential nutrients is why seaweed is considered a superfood. The bioavailability of sea moss gummies, which refers to how easily the body can break down and absorb their nutrients, is still under research. However, they contain many highly bioavailable components. Potential benefits include alleviating arthritis, diabetes, autoimmune deficiencies, and cardiovascular and ocular diseases. However, a significant risk is the high levels of iodine in seaweed, so it is crucial to adhere to recommended dosages to avoid exceeding daily iodine intake. And here are the potential benefits of sea moss gummies. Sea moss gummies are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Sea moss gummies are packed with 92 of the 102 essential minerals and nutrients needed by the human body, along with antioxidants that support the immune system, eye health, brain function, and more. Sea moss gummies has potential immune-boosting properties. Sea moss contains antioxidants, prebiotics, and fiber, which collectively can enhance gut health and, by extension, boost the immune system. Its high mineral and nutrient content also support immune functionality. Sea moss gummies helps in supporting thyroid health and digestion. Due to its iodine, selenium, and other thyroid hormone building blocks, sea moss gummies may help regulate thyroid function. Their high fiber and prebiotic content can also aid in digestion by improving gut health. Sea moss gummies can contribute to skincare and hair health. Sea moss contains components that promotes the health and beauty of skin, hair, and nails. These elements help the body produce collagen, which is essential for maintaining the health and appearance of these areas. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids in sea moss contribute to skin health, hair strength, and nail durability. Sea moss gummies has a potential in cancer risk reduction. Some studies have shown that sea moss extracts can combat cancer cells in mice, suggesting the possibility of using seaweed to develop anti-cancer agents. Further research is needed, but the initial findings are promising, particularly for colon and breast cancer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Now, let's get back to the video. Here are the risks and potential side effects of sea moss gummies. Potential interactions with medication. It is essential to consult a physician before adding any supplements, as sea moss can interfere with thyroid medications. Those on medication for an overactive thyroid should speak to their doctor before using sea moss gummies. Allergic reactions. As with any food, it is possible to have or develop an allergy to sea moss. Testing for allergies before consumption is advisable, and consulting an allergy specialist can provide additional safety. Overconsumption risks. Sea moss contains high levels of iodine and heavy metals, so overconsumption can lead to toxicity. It is crucial to stick to recommended dosages and monitor iodine and heavy metal intake from other sources. Contamination issues in low-quality products. Quality control is vital to avoid contamination in sea moss gummies. Ensuring the product comes from a reputable source with high-quality ingredients reduces the risk of contaminants. Potential side effects. High iodine levels in sea moss can cause toxicity, while high heavy metal content can lead to similar risks. Some individuals may experience digestive issues, including diarrhea, nausea, stomach pain, and vomiting, as well as gut inflammation due to carrageenan in seaweed. But who are the sea moss gummies best for? It is best for individuals looking to improve overall health and wellness. Sea moss gummies can provide general health and wellness benefits due to their nutritional richness. However, they should not replace medical treatments and should be used in consultation with a healthcare provider. With their high nutritional value, sea moss gummies are an excellent choice for increasing nutrient intake through natural sources. Sea moss gummies are for vegans and vegetarians looking for plant-based supplements. Sea moss gummies, typically made from vegan-friendly ingredients, offer a good source of vitamins and nutrients for those following a plant-based diet. And who should avoid sea moss gummies? Those on medications, especially for thyroid conditions, should consult their physician before adding sea moss gummies to their routine due to potential interactions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid sea moss gummies unless cleared by healthcare provider due to their high iodine content. Sea moss gummies are a natural powerhouse with potential health benefits ranging from immune support and thyroid regulation to skincare and potential cancer risk reduction. However, it is crucial to be aware of the potential risks, including interactions with medications, overconsumption, and possible side effects. Consulting with healthcare professionals before incorporating sea moss gummies into your diet ensures safety and maximizes the benefits. As research continues to explore their full potential, sea moss gummies represent a promising addition to a health-conscious lifestyle, offering a natural and nutrient-dense supplement option. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads.